Starting around 21 walk 2024 Avalanche for the most part is exchanging at $53.92 in terms of its host rate with a value change of 0.7% in truly most recent 60 minutes, or so they explicitly thought. Avax sort of has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $23.49,532,274 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,292,206,145, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. This truly makes Avalanche Avax sort of positioning at 10 in the digital currency market, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Avalanche cost expectation end of 2024, what will Avalanche in every practical sense be exceptionally worth in 2024 in a quite enormous manner? Is Avalanche in all things considered wise venture or most certainly worth purchasing in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Will Avax cost generally outperform its untouched high, which essentially is genuinely critical? These especially are our Avalanche cost expectations for Avax's future in a really significant manner. Avalanche Avax value expectation 2024 as per the Avalanche estimate cost and specialized examination in 2024. The Avax cost in a real sense is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $81.54. The normal certainly least value worth of Avalanche toward the finish of the truly current year ought to be $78.68, which sort of is very huge. Besides, Avax can especially arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $87.52, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Avalanche Avax value gauge walk 2024. For walk 2024, the cost of Avalanche in every way that really matters is especially anticipated to sort of arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of $60.13, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of $61.84 and a genuinely least of $54.40, or so they fundamentally thought. Avax value conjecture April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Avalanche most certainly is determined to basically be at around a base worth of $59.67, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. The Avalanche value worth can basically arrive at a really limit of $64.25 with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $62.53 in USD, showing how this makes Avalanche Avax exceptionally positioning at 10 in the digital money market, or so they in a real sense thought. Avalanche Avax value expectation May 2024. The cost for Avalanche in May 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $62.12 and $66.75 in an unobtrusive manner, while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around $64.41, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Avalanche value expectation June 2024. The cost of Avalanche most certainly is fundamentally anticipated to sort of reach at any rate worth of $64.69 in June 2024, or so they most certainly thought. The Avax cost could sort of arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $69.33 with a by and large normal exchanging worth of $66.98 all through 2024. Kind of additional appearance how Avalanche Avax value expectation May 2024. The cost for Avalanche in May 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $62.12 and $66.75 as opposed to mainstream thinking. Avalanche value gauge July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Avalanche is supposed to, in every way that really matters, be at around and in every practical sense, least of $67.37 in a significant way. Avalanche cost can explicitly arrive at an especially limit of $72.01 with the genuinely normal cost of $69.66 in USD, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Avax value conjecture August 2024. With respect to August 2024, Avalanche is supposed to explicitly arrive at an essentially least value worth of $68.89. The Avax cost could really arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $74.79 with a typical cost around $71.75, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Avax value estimate September 2024. With respect to September 2024, Avalanche in every way that really matters is supposed to arrive at a sort of least value worth of $71.61 in a genuinely significant manner. The Avax cost could truly arrive at an essentially most extreme cost of $78.38 with a truly normal cost around $73.90, showing the way that the Avax cost could in every practical sense arrive at a truly greatest cost of $74.79 with a really normal cost around $71.75 in an all things considered enormous way. Avax value estimate October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Avalanche in every practical sense is determined to truly be at around and in every practical sense, least worth of $73.16, really in spite of mainstream thinking. The Avalanche value worth can by and large arrive at a for the most part limit of $81.34 with the really normal exchanging worth of $76.12 in USD, or so they basically thought. Avalanche Avax value expectation November 2024. With respect to November 2024, Avalanche cost especially is figured to generally arrive at a particularly the least cost of $76.11, so Avalanche Avax value conjecture Walk 2024. For Walk 2024, the cost of Avalanche generally is fundamentally anticipated to in a real sense arrive at a sort of typical cost of $60.13, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $61.84 and an especially least of $54.40, which basically is very critical. The Avax cost could truly arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $84.38 with the typical expected cost around $78.41, which sort of demonstrates the way that the Avalanche value worth can arrive at a kind of limit of $81.34 with a kind of typical exchanging worth of $76.12 in USD. Avax value gauge December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Avalanche certainly is estimated to truly be at around a genuinely least worth of $78.68 in an exceptionally significant manner. The Avalanche value worth can arrive at a really limit of $87.52 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $81.54 in USD, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Avalanche in every practical sense, past value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been basically diminished by 4.1% in its especially current worth, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Assuming we in every practical sense think about the especially current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap generally is additionally down as opposed to mainstream thinking. From in every practical sense, most recent 7 days the Avax in a real sense was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 162%, which is genuinely huge. Avalanche generally has shown areas of strength for exceptionally all goals and purposes potential recently, and this could be certainly great chance to sort of dive right in and contribute, which most certainly demonstrates the way that the Avalanche value worth can for the most part arrive at an especially limit of $87.52 with a kind of typical exchanging worth of $81.54 in USD. Avalanche value figure 2024 facts what will essentially be Avalanche most certainly worth in 2024, which sort of is very huge. The Avax cost in every practical sense is gauged to in a real sense arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of $87.52 with genuinely least cost of $78.68 toward the finish of 2024. Torrential slides basically have a future, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. As far as value, Avalanche has a remarkable pretty potential to essentially arrive at new level.